Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to put two photos side by side on iPhone. You can simply go and use your Instagram app and slide it like this, and after sliding tap on layout and change grid and select this and select the last one, and there you can add two pictures side by side like this and tap on click and simply go and tap there and you can download this picture, and that is how you can put two photos side by side on iPhone. And also you can use this shortcut app it's for long-term use. Tap on this plus sign and search for select photos, and there tap on that and toggle on select multiple, and there search for, and now you simply have to search for combine image and add it and set it to combine image horizontally side by side, and tap the arrow and then tap the arrow to add spacing between them if you want a border, and then search for save to photos album and add it as the final step. To use, tap the play button on your shortcut, pick your two photos, and the result will appear in Photos app. And that is how you put your two photos side by side on iPhone. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.